In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Adopt Me Discord server. By the end, you'll be connected to the official community in just a few clicks. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, I'll walk you through exactly where to go, what to tap, and a few quick tips to keep everything smooth and safe. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web version in your browser, whichever you're already signed into. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use so the server shows up in the right place. On your server list, look for the Add a Server button. On desktop, it's the small plus icon along the left sidebar. On mobile, it appears in the server list sidebar as a plus as well. Click or tap that plus to bring up the options for creating or joining a server. Choose the option labeled Join a Server. This tells Discord you already have an invitation and just want to enter it. You'll see a field where you can paste or type an invite link. In the invite link box, type the official invite, discord.gg/adoptme. Take a second to double check the spelling, no spaces, all one word after the slash, so you land in the correct community. If you copied it from somewhere else, make sure there aren't any extra characters at the beginning or end. Once the invite is in place, select Join Server. Discord may ask you to confirm that you want to open the invite or switch to the app if you started in a browser. Allow it to open Discord if prompted, and it will connect you to the server. If you run into a link expired message, clear it, retype the invite carefully, and try again. When you're in, you'll see the Adopt Me channels appear in your server list. It's a good idea to visit the Welcome or Rules channel first so you understand how the community works. Some servers ask you to acknowledge rules or choose a role before you can chat. Just follow any on-screen instructions. You can also adjust your notification settings to control pings and keep your device quiet when you're not actively playing. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, add a server, select join, enter discord.gg, adopt me, and confirm. Enjoy the server, stay safe by keeping your personal information private, and have fun trading tips, meeting other players, and keeping up with updates. If this walkthrough helped, you're ready to jump right into the conversation.